Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Harley Davidson Street Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2007 Harley Davidson Street Glide with 23,395 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multi-function 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a tinted windscreen, 8-inch handlebars, braided lines and cables, grips, a fuel door cover, a stage 1 intake, Reinhardt mufflers, LED turn signals, an LED taillight, highway pegs, a plate bracket, and an aftermarket headlight bulb. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Glide puts 77 horsepower and 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Glide has a 175 to 220 mile range. It has a 26.3 inch seat height and a 773-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted an oil seep at the stator grommet and inner primary, and common motor vibrations at idle. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the front fender, scratches on the saddlebags, and a paint chip on the front fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.